One fish over 250 pounds, the moment that caused excitement to ripple through a St. Thomas community after a fisherman hauled in the massive catch. It drew a crowd of curious onlookers and required the help of several divers. Ramada Lyons reports.
It was a good day, give thanks.
That's Dwight Lynch, a fisherman in Hearty, St. Thomas. He went to sea Saturday, and just one catch eclipsed his last 10 catches. This is the result. A fish on top of a vehicle, like new furniture being transported. It was a supreme venture into 9 Mile Bull Bay that landed him a fisherman's jackpot.
First shoot, first dive, a spear of barracuda. Second fish is this one, giant grouper. Them call him Goliath grouper. We call him June fish.
263 pounds. This was the moment before the scale confirmed it. Many eager and making guesses.
What? Don't touch me, watch out, people, watch out. 300 already. 304 pounds.
I minus the board after.
So heavy, it wasn't a one-man job. It wasn't even a one-shot job.
I was overweight. I have on a 5.5 millimeter diving suit. And I was so overweight, I wasn't comfortable. So the shot where I took wasn't so accurate. So I'm running the rock, break the spear. So I have to come up back, go to the boat, make a phone call, tell Brother Lynch, bring 2 more spear guns and send me 2 divers. So I get some backup, so them help me. Keep me company, give me a strength, so I may do all of the shooting and things, but them really keep me company. We give me around 3 shots.
It took them several hours to secure the fish. One of the divers recalled the risky yet thrilling experience.
We were there about 3 hours, then we called for the other diver after some time. Ocean, otherwise known as Bounty. So he was the last diver that came on site and helped finish the job. So it was a combination of the 4 of us. We're all divers. We have our separate profession, and we did what we do best. Get the job done, stick to the game plan. Teamwork, make the dream work.
No, this wasn't the first rodeo for Mr. Lynch. While this catch remains the largest, he's had multiple catches that were above average in terms of size.
And this is my 5th one. Yeah, man, we kill them with 32, 170, 195, 150. Yeah, man, and this one 260 now. It was a good day.
He's been a fisherman for over 20 years and has relied on the trade to pay bills and stay afloat. And by the look of things, the water treats him well. Ramada Lyons, TVJ News.
I wonder what dinner was like in St. Thomas. Well, stick around. It's time for a break, but we have more local stories when we return.